Oh, hello everyone. I was just here on my coffee break. I didn't realize I'm a few minutes late. So sorry. Just one more sip and we can get started on our guidance corner. Sorry about that. This was one of my favorite little cups for my coffee. Hang on. This reminds me of something. In Japan, there is an art form called Kintsukuroi, which means to repair with gold. When a ceramic pot or bowl was broken, an artisan would come and put the pieces back together and use the gold lacquer to make the bowl stronger and more beautiful than it was before. As you can see, the breaking is not something to hide. It also does not mean that the bowl is ruined or without value, just because now it's different than it was before. Kintsukuroi is a way of living that embraces flaws and imperfections. Every crack is a part of that history that made this more beautiful than it was before, precisely because it has been broken. Now, friends, things can happen in our lives that we can't control. And sometimes we need to just pick up the pieces of our life and put them back together. And create something wonderful and or allow that pain to strengthen us. Please remember that Kintsukuroi is an acceptance of change. No attempt is to hide the damage, but the repair is actually heightened and brightened. My friends, if you are having some difficulty picking up the pieces of your life right now, just remember you can always call Kids Help Phone at 1-800-668-6868. They'll help you pick up the pieces and hopefully have some glitter glue to put that back together. Take care, my friends.